Hi students, good morning to everyone. Our learning chapter is subtraction of numbers.
Good morning to everyone. Our running chapter is subtraction of numbers. Subtraction of numbers. Dear students, all of you open math textbook, page number 74. Page number 74. Question number 2. Question number 2. Do the subtraction. Do the subtraction. First one, A, 75 minus 29 equal to. It means we subtract 29 from 75. Here 75 is a bigger number than 29. Now subtraction is possible. Top number is bigger than bottom number, then subtraction is exist, subtraction is possible. Now write place values 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. Subtraction on 1. The digit from one place 5, 9. It means 9 subtract from 5. Is it possible? No. Why? 9 is bigger than 5. We cannot take 9 from 5. Why? 9 is bigger number. We cannot take bigger number from smaller number. In this time we need borrow. Borrow. Here borrow means one 10 is equal to 10 1. Borrow means 110 is equal to 10 1. One 10 is equal to 10 1. All are 10 ones are there. And 10 1, 5 1. 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. Yes, now it is 15. From 710, we taken 110 as borrow. From 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 6. Now we subtract 9 from 15. Draw 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From 15, we subtract 9. From 15 lines, we subtract 9 lines. We cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After cutting 9 lines from 15, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. 15 minus 9, 6. The count of 6, write in one place. Now, subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. The digit from tens place are 6 and 2. 6 and 2. 6 minus 2. From 6 we subtract 2. We take 2 from 6. Bigger number minus small number. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 4. 6 minus 2, 4. This answer 4. Write in tens place. 6 minus 2, 4. 4, 6, 46. 75 minus 29 is equal to 46. 75 minus 29 is equal to 46. This is our answer. Now question B. Question B. 87 minus 58. 87 minus 58. It means we subtract 58 from 87. We subtract 58 from 87. 87 minus 58. Same, first of all write 1, 10, write place values 1 and 10. Here 87 is bigger number than 58. 87 is bigger than 58. Now subtraction is possible. First subtraction on 1. Subtraction on 1. From 1 place the numbers or the digits are 7, 8. 7 minus 8. Here 8 is bigger than 7. We cannot take 8 from 7. Why? We cannot take bigger number from small number. In this time we need borrow. From 8 tens we take 1 10. 10 and 7. 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7, 17. It is 17. 17 minus 8. From 8 tens, we taken 1 10 as borrow. 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7, sorry, 8 minus 1. From 8 tens, we taken 1 10 as borrow. 8 minus 1, 7. It is 7. Now subtraction on 1. 17 minus 8. From 17 we subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. From 17 we subtract 8. Means cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 17 lines we cut 8 lines. Remaining lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. This answer now write in ones place. Now subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. From 10 the digits are 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. From 7 we subtract 5. We take 5 from 7. 7 minus 5, 2. This answer to write in tens place. 2, 9, 29. 87 minus 58 is equal 29. 87 minus 58 is equal 29. Our answer is 29. 87 minus 58 is equal 29. This is the question B. Now question C. Now question C. 83 minus 59. 83 minus 59. Here 83 is bigger number than 59. 83 is bigger than 59. Now subtraction is possible. First write place values 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. The digit from one place 3 and 9. 3 minus 9. We cannot take 9 from 3. Why? 9 is bigger than 3. We cannot take bigger number from small number. In this time we need borrow. We take borrow from beside number. From 8 10, we take 110. From 8 10, we take 110 as borrow. 8 minus 1, 7. Now this is 7. In ones already 3 ones are there and more 10 ones. 10 ones and 3 ones. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Now this is 13. Now subtraction on 1, 13 minus 9, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. From 13, we subtract 9. Means we cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After cutting 9 lines, from 13 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 13 minus 9, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. This answer 4 write in one place. Now subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. From 10, the digits are 7, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. This answer 2 write in 10. 2, 4, 24. 83 minus 59. 83 minus 59 is equal to 24. This is the question C. Now question D. Page number 74, question D. Question number 2. Question number D. 61 minus 25 means 25 subtract from 61. Here 61 is bigger number than 25. Now subtraction is possible. For this number, first write place value 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. 1 from 1 place, the digits are 1 and 5. 1 minus 5. We cannot take 5 from 1. 5 is a bigger number than 1. We cannot take bigger number from smaller number. In this time we need borrow. We take borrow from beside number. From 6 tens we take 1 tenth as borrow 10. Now 10 1 and 1. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 11. 10 plus 1 11. 11. From 6 tenths we taken 1 tenth as borrow. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 5. Now this is 5. Now subtraction of 11 and 5. 11 minus 5. From 11 we subtract 5. Draw 11 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From 11 we subtract 5. Means from 11 lines we cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After cutting 5 lines from 11 lines, remaining lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11 minus 5, 6. This answer 6 add in 1. Now subtraction on 10. The digits are 5 and 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. This answer 3 write in 10. 61 minus 25 is equal to 36. 61 minus 25 is equal to 36. Our answer is 36. This is the question D. Now question E. Question E. 84 minus 39. 84 minus 39. We subtract 39 from 84. Here 84 is bigger number. 84 is bigger number than 39. Now subtraction is possible. For these digits we write place values. These are 1 and 10. First subtraction on 1. Subtraction on 1. The digits from one place 4, 9. 4 minus 9. But we cannot take 9 from 4. 9 is a bigger number, 4 is smaller number. We cannot take bigger number from smaller number. In this time, we need borrow from beside number. We take borrow from 8, 10. From 8, 10, we take 110 as borrow. Now this is 10. 10 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. Is 14. From 8, 10, we taken 110 as borrow. 8 minus 1, 7. 8 minus 1, 7. This is 7. Now subtraction on 14 and 9. 14 minus 9. From 14, we subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. From 14, we subtract 9. From 14 lines, we cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After cutting 9 lines, from 14 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. 14 minus 9 equal 5. This answer 5 right in one place. Now subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. From 10, the digits are 7 and 3. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. This answer 4 right in 10th place. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, 45. 4 and 5, 45. 84 minus 39 is equal 45. 84 minus 39 is equal 45. Now question F. Question F. 73 minus 26. 73 minus 26. 26 subtract from 73. Here 73 is bigger number than 26. In subtraction, bigger number is in top, small number is down. Then subtraction is exists. We can do subtraction. Subtraction is possible. Write the place values for this digit 1 and 10. Subtraction on 1. The digit from 1 place 3 and 6. 3 minus 6. Here 3 is a small number, 6 is a bigger number. We cannot subtract bigger number from small number. In this time we need borrow. We have to take borrow from that beside number 7. Borrow means 110 is equal 10 1. 110 is equal 10 1. Borrow means 110 is equal 10 1. We get 10 here. Already 3 is there. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 3, 13. From 7 1, we taken 110 as borrow. 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 6. Now subtraction on 13 and 6. We subtract 6 from 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. From 13 lines, we cut 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After cutting 6 lines from 30 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 minus 6, 7. 13 minus 6, 7. This answer 7 writing in one place. Now subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. The digit from 10th place, 6 and 2. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. This answer 4. Write in 10. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 and 7, 47. 73 minus 26. 73 minus 26 is equal to 47. This is the solution for F1 from question number 2, page number 74. Borrow means 110 is equal to 10 1. Subtraction from small number to bigger number. In this time we need borrow. Actually subtraction possible of bigger number to small number. These are subtraction by using borrow. Okay children, we have finished question number 2. A, B, C, D, E, F. You try these 2 questions, G and H from question number 2. Remaining problems we will solve in our next class. Okay children, goodbye to everyone.